Hello everyone, our today's topic is symmetry. Symmetry. Symmetry refers to the exact match in shape and size between two halves of an object. When we fold a picture into two halves and if both the halves match exactly, then we can say that the picture is symmetrical. Now look at this butterfly. You can see when you fold this into two halves, when we are folding this butterfly, you can see here the butterfly is folding. You can see here both the halves match exactly. So we can say butterfly is an example of symmetry. Here you can see a paper folding. When I fold this, both the halves match exactly. So it is symmetrical. Now look at the butterfly. Is it symmetrical or not? Yes. You can see both the halves match exactly. Now look at this. You can see here this is the line of symmetry. This fold is the line of symmetry. And you can see that when we fold this paper, both the halves match exactly. Isn't it? Now look at this another example. You can see this is a rectangular paper. I have folded this. You can see here this line is called as the line of symmetry, and you can see both the halves match exactly. Now here you can see this is another method of folding. Here I am folding it vertically. You can see both the halves are matching exactly. Look at this. This is another way of folding. You can see here four types are there. We can fold this paper. This is a square shape. You can fold this in four different ways. You can see one more method of folding. Here also you can see both the halves will match exactly. Let us fold now. So you can see here four lines of symmetry. Line of symmetry. Suppose we could fold a picture in half such that the left and right halves match exactly. Then the picture is said to be in symmetry and the fold is called as line of symmetry. Now look at this picture. You can see this picture. This is called as line of symmetry. When we fold this, both the halves will match each other. Okay. Here when we are folding this picture, both the halves will match exactly, and this is the line of symmetry where we fold. This is the line of symmetry. This fold is called as the line of symmetry. Look at this one more example. You can see this is the line of symmetry. For example, you can see a butterfly here, and this line I have drawn. You can see a line drawn here. This is the line of symmetry. The given butterfly has symmetry. If you draw a line down the center of a butterfly, both sides are same. Here you can see both left and right side are same. These are some of the examples which has one line of symmetry. Sometimes even very complicated things have symmetry. Look at this palace. You can see this picture is very complicated. Even this picture has a line of symmetry. Here you can see both the left hand side and right hand side. Both sides it looks same. So the two sides are the same. The two sides are symmetrical. Some objects have both vertical and horizontal symmetry. You can see here some of the examples here. You can see this is called as horizontal and this is vertical line. So this is some objects. You can see some examples are here which has both horizontal and vertical symmetry. Can you see the symmetry in this pattern? Yes, of course. You can see here. How many lines of symmetry is here? Here you can see two lines of symmetry. It has two lines of symmetry. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry. You can see here this is a rectangle. It has two lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. Now let us look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So square has how many lines of symmetry? 4 lines of symmetry. A circle can have many lines of symmetry. You can see here many lines of symmetry. Symmetry in day-to-day life. Symmetry has many applications in day-to-day life. In fact, everything beautiful around us is symmetrical. Look at this rangoli. Can you see the rangoli? Yes. Rangolis that we love so much are symmetrical. It is because of the symmetry the ancient image Sri Yantra appears beautiful. You can see the image of Sri Yantra. See how beautiful it is because of symmetry. It is because of symmetry. This looks so beautiful. You can see here you can draw a line of symmetry. Here also you can draw a horizontal line. Even you can draw a line from the sides, from both the sides. Thank you.